hour this morning, Monday morning. Head into Jesup, Georgia to our factory. I'm gonna go check on things. We got a lot of Reb 2-ram balers under production and shears and portable balers being assembled and ready for delivery. Then we're off to Washington, D.C. for the ISRI Board of Directors meeting. This will be the first in-person meeting since February of 2020, since the pandemic started. Incredibly excited to see all my friends again. It'll be fun, and got some good work to do in D.C. So it's gonna be a great week. Gonna be busy, but it's gonna be a great week.
It's been a great day, a great afternoon here in Jesup. We're leaving Jesup and we're heading to DC, but the plant's looking great. Efficiencies are up. We're producing more balers than we ever have, and things are running great. So we're off to DC. Super excited. God, I say super too much. My daughter would hate me for it, but I'm pumped. Let's go. We're here in Washington, D.C., and we've been doing some great podcasts with Pile of Scrap. We've talked to Cheryl Coleman, who's the Vice President of Sustainability. And I haven't met Cheryl because of the pandemic. What a great interview I had with her. Stay tuned for that podcast. That's going to be fantastic. I also talked with Andrew Lincoln, Neil Bice, Lifetime Achievement Award winner David Borsick. It's just been great to be here in DC, be back at ISRI, our trade association, the Institute of Scrap Recycling Industries. It's always near and dear to my heart because I was a former chairman of this great trade association, and being back here has been fantastic and a lot of fun meeting up with people. So we got some great interviews coming out, and I'm really excited for everybody to see this because I think it's very educational about our industry, what's going on with our industry, and that we have to be aware of how we combat some of the regulations that are coming down the pike. So stay tuned. I'm excited, as I said, and I think this has been a great week, and more to come.